like everyone else here, I felt an enormous sense of rage, and I don't know, it ended up in this poem. Oh, it's called The Orange Emperor's Nightmare. On the Gaza Riviera lies the luxury town of Saint-Tropez. Private yachts float in the harbour, exclusive hotels along the bay. They're all exclusively furnished. It's an exclusive beach resort. The fishing boats have disappeared and no one recalls the port. The en-suites are palatial, each one an emperor's dream. Bathroom taps glint bright with gold, while the water gushes green. This brand new town is clean from top to bottom. It's been cleansed with every care. Nothing can upset the tourists. There's no trouble anywhere. The helicopter police are circling, always droning overhead. And each night, the searchlights guard against the raising of the dead. By night, there's a ghostly moaning and an angry orange breeze which blows through artificial orchards filled with artificial trees. By day, admire the brilliant plumage of the artificial birds and hear the soothing buzzing of the artificial bees. On sand as fine as bone meal, rows of bodies glisten on display. Tanning slowly, white to brown, as the sunlight shrouds the day. Drinking water is imported for a very reasonable fee, and the advisory notices say no swimming in the sea. The local market's filled with watermelon, olives, figs and grapes. They're all flown in from Florida in the cleanest orange crates. There are gift shops crammed with memorabilia of a long forgotten war, but local historians cannot tell us what it all was for. The real estate's a great investment. The apartment values soar. Don't worry, no risk of any discomfort from the presence of the poor. It's a vision of perfection, the property developer's pure dream. Hush, child now. His sleep must never be disturbed by your agonizing scream. Last two lines, the most important. And when the hurricane arrives to smash Trump's monster Frankenstein, the world's weather team must honor that storm by its true name, Palestine.
Thank you so much, Robert. Now, do you want to march today? Yeah.